Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tech tutorial, we're going to teach you how you can create a team in your ClickUp workspace, for example, to invite team members to it and to communicate with your team members within a team. Like, for example, I don't know, share ideas with them and so on and so forth, guys. So what you want to do is head over to ClickUp, log into your account and select the workspace you would like to edit here in the top left. So that can go with that example workspace here. And here on the left panel, you will see a section called Teams. So hover your mouse over it and here to the right, you will be given the opportunity to create a completely new team. So click on that plus icon. That is going to open up that menu here. So give your team a name. So let me name it, for example, my team 2, because I have already created one. And you may also assign a custom avatar or icon or a profile picture for the team if you like by clicking on it and by uploading it from your device. So guys, as you can see, you can, for example, add team members to your team to, for instance, assign tasks directly to these team members, or to exchange or to share ideas, or to add them as watches, and so on and so forth. So you may describe your team below. And once that's done, simply click on Create Team here. And that is going to create your team. Now you may, for example, add team members to your newly created team by clicking on that button here, Add One Member. You will see all members you can add from your workspace to your team here. So simply click on Add One Member, or skip this for now. So let me add that member. And as you can see here, the member list in the top right corner, for example, you can invite more team members by clicking on that plus icon here. Then, for example, guys, you will see the list of all teams you have created here on the left-hand side, or get a better overview by clicking on all teams here. And near the top, you will be given access to a variety of tabs, like, for instance, the overview or analytics, priorities for tasks, a feed. Then we got, for example, your team members listed here, stand-up, workload, for instance, any upcoming tasks within your team, and so on and so forth, guys. So that's how you create teams on ClickUp. Thanks for watching, and I hope I see you next time on our channel.